some actual cases where Vastu help is what I mentioned in the last slide regarding center. Now, only last month I was visiting a factory. The last time I said I might go. So they make furniture, and it's a very what should I say, very upmarket brand, doing exceedingly well. But suddenly they felt that orders have stopped coming, things are not happening. There are problems happening in, let's say, every sphere of manufacturing. So when I walked around and I found कि उनका जो पहले का कोई rejected material था, that on one floor they had put it right in the center. But that floor was full, so they had absolutely choked the center of that floor. And similarly, that just trickled down that every floor towards the center had something or the other. Unproductive material, कई जगह productive भी था, raw material let's say, वो भी आ गया था center. So amongst other things, the one thing which was suggested was just clear the center. Center में कुछ नहीं रखना. And couple of other things. You will not believe it was a question of 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks I would say. They couldn't handle the orders. But this was such a prominent block in the functioning of that unit that it had sort of stalled everything. And when they cleared this, everything just started flowing. So the effects of what Vastu can do, this is of course like we were talking about clearing the center. Now I talk about the northeast. This is a factory of a very high-end designer. He's like, let's say, a global name, and they're doing very well. They were doing very well, but then suddenly they were facing a lot of problems. Again, production, various other departments. There were mistakes happening. Everything was taking longer than what normally. So they could not meet with the schedules. So when I went around and I found Northeast was everything which was coming out of their, what do you call, the shows which they had, the material which they had, whatever exhibits which they had, वो सारा factory में आगे dump हो जाता था वहाँ. And for the next exhibition, some of it might be used, but it would have a new, because the whole theme would be new, everything would be new, so they would have new exhibits and new material. Now, ये सारा material would come and it would get dumped in the northeast. Things became so serious that everything was almost coming to a standstill. Now, what do you think I would have said? I said, clean karo, and it is not kal parson. Right now, while I am here, I want to see this gone. Now, of course, they couldn't do it at that moment, but they understood the urgency. And I said, I want to see you engaging someone to clear this because I know it's going to take time. But don't say kal parson kar lenge, we'll do it later. So when they understood what the urgency is, they removed that. And again, the same thing. These things, you ask how or why. Now we'll try to give some explanation because of Vastu, this is so and so and so, etc. But Northeast basically represents the mind of your, let's say, space. Like we have a head, we have a mind. So Northeast is just that for any structure. Northeast mein my mind mein clutter ho jaye. What do we do? What is our efficacy? How do we feel?
You'll not be able to.
Exactly. That is precisely what happens in offices, in factories, everywhere. When Northeast gets cluttered, everything starts coming to a standstill. And you clear the Northeast, like miracles are up. It is actually miraculous things do happen when you clear your Northeast. So this is what something, which is a very recent experience of mine, otherwise also at various houses, places, etc., factories, shops. You just move, you clear the Northeast, you will find the difference. After you get Northeast, when you feel there is any clutter, have it cleared ASAP. Don't wait for anything to manifest. So this is a small activity which you can do, not right now, you can do it later as to just sketch where you are. And now after understanding what is there, so just check कि आपके workstation के Northeast में क्या है, center में क्या है, normally should be your chair, chair के आसपास क्या है, or what is the condition of your chair, because that generally would be sort of in the center of the workstation, and Northeast में क्या है. If you feel there is something, now don't wait for ये ठीक है कि नहीं ठीक है. Now you have to go with what you feel. It is your material which you are using, but what do you feel? Should it be there? Are those books, those files, etc., is that the place for them? Just ask yourself. If you contemplate on that, you will get an answer. I mean, it's no rocket science that you will have to ask someone for reference or whatever. You can relate to it. That is energy, you are energy. You've never connected yourself to your space around you, but the moment you connect, you will get an answer. You say, oh, this is not right. You have to have the connect with your space, because you have to be aware that your mind is at any given time entangled with the space. Okay, that is quantum. And they have now proved it is scientific. That's the theory of entanglement. And this is not today's. Entanglement is a very old theory. Einstein was working on it. And when he explained the theory of entanglement, scientists couldn't understand how is it possible. But now today, quantum has proved exactly that. And if you remember, there was a experiment conducted in Europe, which they were calling God particle, where they had spent billions of dollars, and they had split an electron into two. Half of it was sent this side and half on the other side. And it was a couple of miles away. And then when they triggered something on the left side, the right one responded. So now this is science. I mean, this is nothing.
He was not disconnected.
They were not disconnected. So they created this tube or a path where they broke this, and one was sent here and the other one was sent there. And when they triggered this one was getting triggered as well. So then they said that now there is no space and time. So that's another subject. We'll not dwell into it. But how we are entangled with everything around us, it's very scientific. It's very scientific. It's not hearsay, it's no jargon, it's not imagination. It is science. So entanglement is something, if you get interested, you can Google, you can read. There's a book called Entanglement. You can read that too. So this is something which I would suggest you just do. And you see center में क्या है, आपके northeast के अंदर क्या है, ये two things. Third thing, must keep a small plant on your workplace. Freshness. And nurture the plant. And every day talk to the plant. That's a living being. Okay? And the day you start abusing the plant, you will see the growth of the plant. So you will understand how we are connected to plants also, how we are connected to nature. ये हो चुके हैं experiments. Plant से बात करो. Every morning just come. आप जो पीने का पानी लाते हो उसमें से उसको डालो and say कि I'm sharing it with you. I'm sharing good energies with you. I'd like you also share your good energies with me. And you will see how happy the plant is. आप उसकी growth से आपको पता चलेगा. You will see the size of the leaves. So that's a being. It also has life in it. So northeast clear, take plant, and clutter. Don't sit around with clutter. Whatever files etc. you have, you must stack them in a proper rack. If there are no racks, then I will request कि आप racks provide करो ताकि files instead of the tables they are kept in the racks. That is very, very important. Because the freer the energy flows, you will be having free flow of ideas. And आपका काम सिर्फ idea है. You understand one thing. You see what makes you different from others is at the end of the day your ideas. बाकी क्या technology or people who else can't afford. मतलब people who can afford, your competitors will have exactly the same. So your competition is not outside. You have to compete with what you were as of right now. That is your competition. So now you have to better it. So that means you have to better what you are right now. So you have to better that. Now don't look at what others are doing. To get an idea, yes, one has to be aware of what's happening in the world of whatever profession you are in. But that is not what you have to follow. That is not the benchmark. You have to understand it is U square. You can't be banging against the same window pane, hoping that I'm working hard. हम कर रहे हैं, क्यों नहीं हो रहा? You will collapse. Think out of the box and you will get an idea. Idea के लिए क्या आपको motivate करेगा? Your clear space. Space में हमको क्या चाहिए? Where we are working. We have to have good light. We have to have northeast clear. They have to be decluttered. No files around. They have to be stocked up properly. Very simple. Clear?